What are you doing, Boo? Are you in your drawer? What do you have with you? What do you have? Do you have your yogurt? Your bracelets? Alright, we're gonna panda Nora because she has a bracelet. There's Snoopy in the saucer with her bracelet. Let's go a little closer. There we go. Look at that big girl. That is a special Mardi Gras high heel bracelet. Eat your heart out. Hi, Pumpkin. Let's see what's going on over here in the sardine box.
You making your way out?
Let's see how this is gonna go. Bam.
Good work.
Made it. Say I made it. Hey, hey, hey.
Frankie.
Oh, wow. Nora got some yogurt.
Very gentle, good girl.
You flip a light on, babe. I think Nora's got more than she can handle now.
Yeah, look at all those toys in her basket. Thank you. You're welcome.
On to the next.
Dig you out.
Yeah, let's excavate Nora. All right, Frankie, can you say bye? Can you wave to the camera when you say it? What did you get?
Wait.
Show mommy. Measuring spoons. And take a bite. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Bye.